So what is that question, everybody? A stone is dropped from a 125 meters height. So after how much time will the sound reaches? That's what striking the ground can be heard. So that is what is the question. So what is the formulas? Coming sound, coming time plus the reflecting sound time we have to calculate. So what is the formula we have to use it, guys? I already told you yesterday itself. Who is the talking? Please listen. So what is the formula we have to use it, everybody? The total time is equals to first T1 time. T1 time means the time taken to reach the ground. That is what T1. After that, the sound will come back. Striking sound alone will come back. That is what we used to say is T2. So what is the formula T1 Ra? Nobody can speak. Root over 2h by z plus T2 is equals to distance by velocity. So root over, can we stop the class? So root over 2 into h value is how much? 125 meters and g value is 10 plus height is 125 meters and sound will travel with the 340. So which is equals to how much? 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 fives are 2 ones are 225s are. Sorry, 5 ones are 525s are. So root 25 plus 125 divided by 340. Root 25 means how much, guys? Anybody? Root 25 means how much? Yes,
5 square.
5 square. So 5 and root will get cancelled. Mr. Gokul, you not yet solved and you not yet send me the answer till now. Gokul, Pradhan and all. Please don't join in the class. Not required for me. Those who are this much indisciplined, why I need to teach you people? 5.367 seconds. That is the total answer. I hope you all got it. Everybody. So many people, they already send me. So really good. Those who not send, you solve. Otherwise, please, you can leave from the meet. If you are not able to do the homework sum, what is the use of attending the class? Simply for namesake. Next question, right? A single wave produced on a rope. Next question, right? A single wave produced on a wave. Mr. Pon Srinivasan, yesterday I told you your number is 31. You don't understand? A single wave produced on a rope. What is the question number, Mari? It is yesterday. How many questions we solved?
5 questions we have solved, sir.
Okay. A single wave produced on a rope. A single wave produced on a rope passes through a point in 0.8 seconds. What is the wavelength? What is the wavelength of the wave? What is the wavelength of the wave if its speed, if its speed is 7 meter per second? That's all. If not answering, please don't attend the class. I'm saying you. Everybody start answering and tell me the answer, then only you can do it. Make it fast, everybody. So what is the question given? You have to say. So they're saying that a single wave produced on a rope passes through a point in 0.8 seconds. So that is what is the first point. You have to understand that. So what does it mean? What is the time? The distance traveled by the wave, we all knows that. So what is wavelength? Anybody? Wavelength means what, guys? All of you? What do you mean by wavelength? The distance between two successive crusts or two successive trough is called it as wavelength. Is it right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now, let me take for example, this is the point. So the distance traveled by the wave, that is what we used to say. How many? Suppose now we all know a rope. Rope will produce what waves? Transverse waves or longitudinal waves? Rope.
Transverse wave.
Transverse
Transverse
waves.
wave.
So now they are saying across a particular point, the single wave means what? Everybody. That is only we used to call it as a what? One vibration. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? A single wave is called it as one oscillation or one vibration. Is it right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
And I taught you wavelength third definition. Can you tell me what is the third definition of wavelength? Anybody? Third definition of wavelength. Third definition of wavelength. Three definitions we studied. One is the distance between the two successive crusts is wavelength, or the distance between the two successive trough is wavelength, or there is another third definition. What is that? Anybody? Starting point of a crust and ending point of a trough is called it as wavelength. Is it right or wrong? Everybody? Yes, please, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So when the wave, a single wave is passes through a point in 0.8 seconds, means that is only we used to call it as wavelength. Is it right or wrong? Everybody? Yes or no? One single wave completely passes through that. So that is only we used to call it as a what? All of you. Yes, please. Wavelength. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
So what is the wavelength? Wave speed they have given. What is the wave speed formula? Everybody? Wave speed formula. Wave speed is equals to 7 meter per second. And they have given one wave is taking how much time to completely passing through the particular point?
0.8 seconds.
0.8 second. That is only we used to call it as time taken to complete one wave. Time taken to complete one wave. We used to call something. Anybody? Time taken to
period.
complete one wave. Time period. Which is
Time
Time
equals
period.
to how much? How much?
0.8
0.8.
seconds.
We all know wave speed is equals to wavelength divided by time period. Now, wavelength is equals to wave speed into time period. That's all. So, wave speed is 7 meter per second. Time period is 0.8 seconds. So, second will get cancelled. 7 into 0.8. How much, Ra? 7 8s are 56. So, 5.6 meters. What is the wavelength, everybody? Wavelength
5.6
of the wave is
meters.
how much? 5.6.
5.6.
Clear, everyone? So please remember the point, the time taken to pass the wave. Suppose if I say across a particular point, the wave passes completely in 0.58 seconds, means that is only the wavelength. One wave is passing. Clear, everybody? So the wavelength is that only. So the time taken to complete one wave is time period. So you know time period, you know velocity. You cannot find the wavelength. Easily we can find it. Is it right, guys? Am I right, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. When I say something to you, you have to follow strictly. Otherwise, what is the use of teaching? Make it fast, everyone. Completed? Do slowly, clearly. Any doubt you ask me? You have to learn. I'm saying you again, numericals only coming years onwards. Physics means numericals only. You all should like to do, and you should like what we say, it's a pond of doing the numericals. Then only you can do something better in the higher classes. Otherwise, it is not possible. Make it quick. Next. Can I say next question? Completed means only I'll say.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Question. A stone is dropped from a cliff. A stone is dropped from a cliff. This is similar to you what you saw, but it will be different. You can experience the question. Pradhana, are you completed? Otherwise, leave from the meeting. No response, no need. Alfin also. No excuse at all for anybody's. Darshana also. I know you all can speak or else you can chat. At least you can text the message. Simply namesake doing not at all required for me. Next question, right? A stone. Everybody must try. Mr. Silas doing a stone is dropped. A stone is dropped from a cliff. Cliff means what? Mountain. Cliff into a lake. Lake 80 meters deep. Into a cliff 80 meters deep. Another cliff which is another cliff which is 200 meters away from the lake, 200 meters away from the lake, reflects the sound of splash. Understanding question is very, very important. So a stone is dropped from a cliff into a lake 80 meters deep. Another cliff which is 200 meters away from the lake reflects the sound of splash. Now, what is the time difference between the sounds of the first splash and the echo of the splash? Clear? Understanding question is having a greater role in physics and as well as maths. So how much you understand the question, so that is the way you can solve and you can get the correct answer. Question you cannot solve anything. As the speed of sound is 340 meter per second and G value is 10 meter per second square. Formula don't know, this don't know, you cannot say me. You have to learn all the formulas perfectly, you should learn. Everybody make it fast. Anything doubt, please let me know. Clear everybody? This is what is the question. So now I want answer from people. Alfin, I called you again, but no response. Darshana also. Pradhana, she responded. Anybody can explain the question? Sir, I understand this question. Please. Yes, please. What they're asking, Mr. Sam will explain. Mr. Sam, I hope you can explain, Sam. Danshika.
Sir.
Yeah. So Sam cannot able to speak. Okay. Alfin, tomorrow onwards, seriously don't join Alfin. I'm very, very particular. I already given you 3 days time. Over, gone. So first one, you all of you read it. What they're saying, guys, a stone is dropped from a cliff off. What is the height of the cliff, everybody? What is the height
80
of the
meter.
cliff? 80 meters. So that is the first thing. So height of the cliff is 80 meters. So from there, what they dropped, everybody, one stone is dropped. So now it will reach us to the lake. Imagination is very important. So now reaches to the lake. And this lake, what it will produce, guys? It will produce us what? What it will produce? When the stone will fall on the surface of the water, what
Splash.
it will produce? It will produce the splash. Now, this splash will start traveling, and there is another mountain which is how much meters distance? Everybody,
Meter.
which is how
200
much meters
meters.
distance?
200
200
meter.
meters away from that. Then there is another mountain where 200 meters distance. So this sound need to travel to the mountain and again coming back. Then total distance traveled by the echo, how much? Total distance going 200 and coming 200. Totally how much distance?
400 meter.
400.
400 meter.
புரியுமா எல்லாமே அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டமா and what is the speed? What is the speed it will travel?
340.
Sound.
340 meter.
340 meter per
340 meter per second.
Yeah, so that is what I says. Now, they are not talking about the stone. What they are asking, can you tell me? What is the time differences between the sound of the first splash and the echo of the splash? Am I right or wrong, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
where is the person? The person is dropping the stone means the person is here only. Is it right or wrong, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the time he can hear the echo? First, sorry, splash sound. When he can hear the splash sound? Anybody? When he can hear the splash sound, that is second part, the question what we solved, just that only. So, the splash will come at the T time. Is it right or wrong, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, that is
Yes,
the
sir.
first part. Time taken by the sound of splash from where? From the mountain or from the water? First, from the
First
lake.
water.
From the lake to reach the observer. To reach the observer, which is equals to what? Speed is equals to distance by time. Understanding? Now time is equals to what, everybody? Distance by speed. So what is the distance? 80 meters.
80 meter.
Speed is equals to 340 meter per second.
340 meter per
0
second.
0 get cancelled. 2 4s are 2, I think, yeah, 2 1s are 2 7s are. So 4 by 17 seconds, which is equals to 0.235 seconds. Am I right? Anybody having any doubt in this, you can ask me. Okay, guys? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, after what will happen? Now this splash will go to the mountain and can be heard by the observer. So that, yeah, let me take this is a T1. Your choice, no problem. So now what is the total distance? Now write this thing. The time taken by the sound of splash. Time taken by the sound of splash to reach the other cliff and return back. So what is the total journey, everybody? Echo total journey, how much? Yes, please. Going 200 meters away it is there. So what is the total distance?
400 meter.
400. So going distance 200 and coming back 200. So 200 plus 200 divided by, what is the speed of the sound? 340. So 400 divided by 340, 0 will get cancelled, 220s are 217s are. So 20 by 17, I want answer. Everybody fastly. I want this. 20 by 17, make it quick. Padma?
Sir, 1.1764.
Very good. How much? Division you have to solve. You cannot use normally. Yes. Make it quick. No calculator, nothing. No cheating. You have to solve. I know how fast you people can solve. Those who are really solving, they'll take time. I know very well. Darshana, you are also. No response, nothing. No, there is no use of attending the classes. 1.176 seconds. I hope everybody solved. Everybody?
Yes.
Yeah, that is what they are asking. So what exactly they are asking in the question? Difference they are asking. So time will never be negative. So what is the difference they are asking? Time difference between the sounds of the first splash and the echo of the splash they are asking. So what is the answer? Everybody. The time difference between the two sounds is equals to time difference is equals to how much, guys? 1.176 minus 0.235. So what is the answer? 0.947 seconds. That is the answer. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Shivani completed. Agalya?
Yes, sir.
No. Make it quick, guys. It's a very good question. So here there is no falling of stone. Stone is not a matter for us. Stone we are not considering. What they are asking, simple language if they want to say. Suppose you are in a mountain which is 80 meters above. You just dropped a stone. The stone went and fall down where, guys? Went and fall at water. So now that water, that splash sound will come back to you, and the same splash sound will travel to the another mountain, and that mountain will reflect back. So that is what echo. So what is the difference between the sounds they are asking? Am I right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Nothing else is there. So understanding question is very important. Mari clear? Mr. Sam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please do it. Shall we go to the next question? You're all like eager to solve the numerical. That's what is I'm expecting. Then only we can make cope up the things well. That is what will increase your scientific temper. Please remember, if you are good in other things, there is nothing. Numericals, you are good only, you can excel well. Next question. If a difference of 10 seconds is observed, Mr. Mukesh completed. If a difference of 10 seconds is observed, between lightning and thunder, formulas learn, Mukesh. First, if you learn the formulas, most probably you can solve. Your problem is only weak in formulas. How far is the lightning? How far is the lightning? Take speed of a sound. 340 meter per second. Clear, everybody? Solve it. You must have an idea. It is very simple. It is nothing else is there. Just substitution only. Where n is there. So what they're saying, see that if a difference of 10 seconds is observed between lightning and a thunder, then how far is the lightning? How far they're asking. So what we have to calculate? Yes, please.
Distance.
Distance.
That's all. So speed is equals to distance by time. So now distance is equals to what? Speed into time. Finish it. So what else is there? So distance is equals to speed is 340 meter per second And what is the time after? Time difference. What is the time interval?
10 seconds.
Over. So S is equals to 3,400 meters, which you can write it into kilometers. Kilometers, can you tell me, girls, fastly? 3,400 meters means how many kilometers, Ra?
3.4.
100 into 1 by 1000 kilometers. Is it right? 1 meter means 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometers.
3.5 kilometers. 3.4 kilometers.
Yes, 3.4 kilometers. Next 10th class, I am not supposed to say this and all. That is all LKG steps. You are not supposed to waste time in that. You people need to know what is going to happen next. That also you are spending time and all. You cannot solve numericals in physics in class 10th. That's what I says. So please remember that. Make it fast. Completed means we'll go to the next question. Solve first. Neatly solve. No hurry. You all should solve. That's what is needed. Make it quick. Yeah, okay, Lingesh. Right, next question, Lingesh. This is very important. You can try. Everybody try. Those who are not able to solve only, I will say you. It's a very simple question. So you can solve it very easily. So just do it. A sound wave, a sound wave of frequency 200 hertz covers a distance of 1200 meters in 1 minute. In 1 minute between points A and B. Points A and B. How many waves are present? How many waves are present between A and B? That is a question. So really good question. Really beautiful question. I don't know how many of you are able to do it. You can do it. Try. Now we are going to solve it. Just at least you have to think. At least one can explain me. Sir, I can explain. Sir, I understand the question. That is what the spirit always I'll expect from the students. Sam, Gokul, okay, today responded. Kishore, no response at all. That was Darshana, Princey, no use, Mr. Darshan. You are also. Answer, please. Anybody can explain. Yes, please. What is the question they're asking? A sound wave of frequency. What is the frequency? Everybody?
200.
200
200 hertz, sir. 200
What do
hertz.
you mean by frequency first? What do you mean by frequency first? What do you mean by frequency first? Everybody. Frequency means
Number of waves in
Wavelengths.
total number of
Wavelengths per
oscillations.
second.
Total
Per
number of
second.
oscillations in how many seconds?
1 second.
Per second. 1 second.
1 second is call it as that. That is what. So now you all understand. See, this is very simple. Question is very simple. Understanding is only very important. See that 200 meters in 1 minute. Means
Yes.
that is only correct speed of the wave. Anybody? Am I right or wrong? Speed of the wave.
Sir.
Speed of the wave is equals to what is the speed formula generally? Distance by
Right.
time. So distance is 1200 meters. Time is given 1 minute. But
Seconds.
distance is in meters means how many seconds we have to take? 1000 meters
Seconds.
divided by 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? 60
60
seconds.
seconds.
Sir,
Oh,
totally 20 meter.
yes. So 6 ones are 620s are 120. So what is the speed of the wave? 20 meter.
20 meter per second.
20 meter per
Oh,
second.
and what is the frequency? Frequency given. Frequency
So
given how
200.
much?
200 hertz.
Yes.
200.
Understanding the question only very important. How I can get the information from the question that will divide your that is only makes you top always. Now we cannot find wavelength. What they are asking you is they are asking how many number of waves. Number of waves means what? One wave is equals to one wavelength. Am I right or wrong? Starting point of a one wave, ending point of a one wave is called as wavelength. Is it right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's
Yes,
all.
sir.
Then, now using the relation, we all knows that wave speed is equals to wavelength into frequency. Now, wavelength, can you find wavelength? Wave speed divided by wavelength. So, wave speed, Evala, how much they have given? What is the
20.
wave
20 meter
speed?
per second.
We got it. 20 meter per second.
20 meter
The
per second.
frequency, 200 second in
200.
hertz. So, second will get cancelled. So, 2 ones are 200s are. So, 1 by 100. 1 by 100 means how many meters?
0.1.
0.
0.1 meter.
Are the answer. That is what is remember. Clear, everybody? Yes. Now what? The distance between the 2 points, or how much they have given? A and B point. A to B point, the total distance. How much, Ra? How much total distance?
1200 meter.
1200 meters. Now, one wave, how much distance? One wave, how much distance?
0.1 meter.
0.1 meter. So, can you tell me how to find total number of waves? Anybody?
Sir, one
Yes,
doubt,
sir.
sir.
Yes, Mari. One wave,
Sir,
0.1
you written
meters.
1 by 100, sir. It's 1 by 10, sir.
Oh,
1 by 10, sir.
1 by 10, sir.
1 by
1 by
10, sir.
100. 1 by 100 means,
No, sir.
sorry.
Sir, 20 meter per second, sir.
Yes, sorry. I forgot it. 1 by 10, not 100. Okay, now, but of course, 0.1 only. Correct? Sorry for that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mari. 21s are 20 tens. Okay, I thought only 2 it is. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. So now, one wave is 0.1 meters. Then how many waves it will produce for 1200 meters? What do you have to do? Addition or multiplication or division or what do you have to do it? Yes, please. Number of waves between A to B. What do you have to do it, guys? Total distance is this much.
Division.
One wave distance is 0.1. What do you people do, guys?
Divided, sir.
Division. That's all, man.
Divide.
So divided by 0.1. So what is the answer? 12,000 waves. That's all, guys. Nothing else is there. Is it a tough question? But it is a very important question. It's a really good question. Different varieties of question. That is what you have to know. Okay, everybody? Yes? Everyone need to solve. Anything doubt you can
Yes,
ask.
sir.
12,000 waves it will come.
Sir, can we keep it as a formula that is speed of sound divided by wavelength?
Speed of sound divided by wavelength. Where?
Sir, for finding the number of waves between a
Number of
point.
waves, that is not the speed, total distance. Distance by.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Distance by yes, sir.
total
Distance by wave.
total distance, understand
By
it,
wavelength.
divided by length of one wave. Clear?
Yes,
Length
sir.
of one wave. So that's what is
Wavelength.
that? That's all it will give you. Clear?
So can we keep it as a formula?
Yeah, you want, you can give. That's what. Generally, mathematics will do correct, Mari. Nothing else is there. Yeah, Sanjay solved another way. You can see, guys. So he is saying, Sanjay solved 1 second, 200 hedges. Like they have given frequency. Very good, Sanjay. For MCQs, you can solve in nothing else. Okay. So Sanjay is saying, see that they have given frequency. Frequency means what? How many seconds, everybody?
1 second.
1 second. So 1 second equals to how many waves? Yes, please. 1 second
200.
equals to how many waves? 200 hertz means 200 frequencies. Now 1 second becomes 60. So 60 means what? 1 minute, correct? Everybody. So 60 seconds is equals to 60 into
200 by
yeah, 60 into 200. How much? 6 twos are 12. 12,000. 12,000 waves. Directly it will come. Okay. Yes, very good, Sanjay. That's what I expect. Always you should not depend on me or my approach. My approach is for your board exam or sometimes shortcuts. That's good actually. The way you are solving is always really nice. So very good, everybody. So this is the alternative answer. That is nice. That's what I expect from everybody. So you all need to do it varieties of ways. Okay, so complete this question. Any question you can ask me. So tomorrow I will give you the another different questions, varieties of questions. Every question you have to solve. And tomorrow offline class also will be there. Offline class, we have to revise everything. So and we have to make it everything. Okay, tomorrow both classes I will take online plus offline. So I will find more varieties of question and I will do it. Okay, everybody. Complete these questions.